Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. It's me, Joanski. Now we're gonna buy ice cream today and this guy is tall. Let's go to the ice cream shop. Where's the ice cream shop? Oh, it's up there. Okay. We're gonna snap a blue bubblegum flavor. Mmm, this is so yummy. Let's go. Let's go down. Okay. What car I need? It's okay too. Oh, this is a person with wings and a cat. Mas okay. This is Jet in the table. But what's up? Now we're gonna have a room. And in it later, don't I'm gonna pick a house. This is perfect. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my god, this home is beautiful. Open the door. Yes, in lock. I don't know where is the bed. Oh, it's right there. Like, I'm gonna sleep. Hi guys, welcome back again. And I don't want to sleep and I wanna go to the city. Let's pick another car. This is cute. Oh my god. Oh, what? Don't move. Huh? Oh, I'm heavy. Let's pick this. A go kart. Oh, what's going on here? What is this? There's a tow truck and Dominator tree and a car. I don't know. There is somebody talking out there. Hey, what's up? Look at my hey, get out of my car. Get out of my car. Oh my, there's a hacker. There's a hacker. There's a hacker. I think it's hacking the Brookhaven. And there are many people. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Goodbye. This is my vlog. Goodbye.